Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to control the animation of your text in Filmora 12. Okay, so this is a very simple tutorial for beginner who want to add text to your video and create some kind of fancy animation for your simple text or a preset inside the program. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, hello, welcome back to my channel. I had no idea why my camera is too low, so I have to do something like this. Okay, by the way, this is my Filmora 12 example project, and you can see that I have some videos, some stock video here on the timeline, and also I have some title. The first one is a simple text with a preset motion, and the next one is a lower third template, and the next one is also a lower third template. So let's delete everything on the timeline first, and let's keep the video. So in order to add text to your video in Filmora 12, it is very simple. So there are two options for you. The first one is to use a simple text, which is the quick text option, and the second solution is to use a template at the title tab. Okay, so firstly I want to add a simple text. Just click here and you see this button, quick text. So this is the option for you to add text to your video. If you want to create a 3D text, you can also click this button, quick 3D text also. By the way, I'm going to click this option, quick text. Okay, and this is your text box on the timeline, and you can move it on the timeline. Okay, and this is the duration. The default duration for your text box, it is 5 seconds, and you can adjust the duration by just clicking here, and then you can drag it to the right to extend the duration of your text box or shorten it to the left. Okay, so let's keep it at about 5 seconds. And the next step, you want to change the text, right? And you want to just double click at this text box on the timeline. Okay, so this is the first way, and the other way is to just double click at the text box on your video. Okay, so this is the property of the text, and the first thing you want to go back to your title, and let's click title because you want to change the text, right? So this is a text box, and we can change it to Filmora 12 animation. Okay, and you can change the fonts and increase the size of the text also. For now, maybe I can make it 100. Oh, it's too big, so let's make it 70. Okay, so I think 70 is okay. And the other thing is the preset. There are two kind of preset here. The first one is a normal preset, and the other one is workout preset. Normally, in order to create a fancy text, I will select workout. Okay, and then we can select a style right here. For example, I can select this one. So this is my text, and the next step, I want to move the text to the center. Okay, so the format of the text is okay now. By the way, if you want to customize your text like shadow and outline and stuff like that, you can just click here at the advanced option. So there is a button here to control the outline and also shadow of the text also. By the way, I want to add a simple animation for this text box. Okay, so all I need to do is to click here at the animation tab. Okay, just click here. Okay, and here you have a bunch of different animation effects you can select for your text. For example, I can select this one, pin wheel. Just click here to preview it, and then if you are happy with the animation effect, you can just click OK to apply it to your text. Okay, and now we can play the video. And now if you want to control the duration of the animation, you want to right click at the text box on the timeline. Okay, just right click, and then you want to select advanced edit. Okay, and there will be a new window. Okay, so this is your new window, and this is your text layer, and you can use this slider to control the duration of your animation. For example, if I want to slow down the animation, I can just click here, and then I can drag this line to the right. This action will slow down the animation. Okay, something like this. And if I want to increase the speed of the exit animation, I can just click here, and then I can just make it faster like this. Okay, and being mentioned that in this advanced editor, you can also change the animation also. You have the animation tab right here, just select it, and now if you want to change to different type animation, you can just click here. For example, I can change the animation effect to typewriter. Okay, just click here, and now let's play it again. Very nice, right? And this is the first way to add text to your video and create an animation effect for your text in Filmora 12. And there's another way is to use the template at the title tab. And let's click apply. Okay, to go back to the timeline, and let's click OK. For example, at this position, I want to create a subscribe button by using a lower third. Okay, so it is very simple. All you need to do is to go to the title tab right here. Okay, just click the title tab, and you have many titles here: title, lower third, subtitle, end credit, and call out, stuff like that. So many things here. For example, if we select social media, and then we can select the free option right here. So we have some lower third here. For example, I can use this one, lower third number 2. If I want to use this one, all I need to do is to drag and drop it right here. Okay, so let's mute the audio here and play. Okay, and for this template, you will have two elements. The first one is the text layer here, and the second element is the preset. And in order to modify the text and control the animation and also adjust the preset, you can go to the advanced editor. Okay, so just right click here and select advanced edit to control the template. Alright, so we have multiple text layer here. So for example, this is the first one, social media pack. I can change it to my name. Nice, right? And I can just move it to here. And for the second layer, film stock, I can change it to subscribe or something like that. And for the preset, if you want, you can scale it up and down to match with the text here. By the way, for me, I think it's okay to use the preset because it is beautiful. Okay, and let's play it. So that's nice, right? And being mentioned that if you select a text layer right here, you can also change the animation also. So these are the animation effect for each layer. If you select this layer, and you can change the animation effect also. And let's click apply. Okay, and play. Beautiful. Alright, so these are the most simple way to create animation effect for your text in Filmora 12. By the way, there is another advanced option, which is the animation keyframe. You can also add animation keyframe for your text also. Okay, so let me show you an example. Let's click OK, add another quick text here. Just click here and change the text to Jacky, my name, and I can scale up the text. Okay. And make it here at the center. Alright, so what if I want to create a fade in and fade out effect for this text with the animation keyframe? It is very simple. Okay, so first thing, you want to put the playhead at the beginning of the text. So I'm going to press shift home, and the next thing, you want to click this button, add animation keyframe or keyframing option. Just click here. So this is the first keyframe, and we want to reduce the opacity of the text. So we want to go to video, and then we want to select basic right here and go down here at the opacity. We can reduce it to 0. And now we want to stretch out the timeline and to add another keyframe. Okay, maybe 5 frames forward, and then we want to increase the opacity to 100%, or we can restore the opacity here. So we have 2 keyframes. Okay, and let's click OK, and this is the animation keyframe for the text, and let's play it. Nice, right? So that is fade in effect, and now if we want, we can create fade out effect for the text also. So we can do the same, add 2 more keyframes. Okay, at this position, I want to start fade out. So I want to add another keyframe here. And then I want to move my playhead to this position, and then I can reduce the opacity of the text. So this is just the opacity of the text. By the way, you can adjust the position and the scale of the text also. Okay, and let's click OK, and this is fade in and fade out effect for the text title with animation keyframe. Nice, right? Alright, so this is how to create text animation in Filmora 12. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.